Hi, Andy Nelson here. You have trademarks for a simple reason. They are symbols of your brand. You want your customers and your prospective customers to recognize and associate those symbols with your brand. What does that do for you? It helps you get business. It helps you get repeat business. What's key to having those trademarks function correctly? Exclusivity. You want exclusivity as much as you can. Now, what is one way you can enhance your exclusivity? It is, if you're eligible, getting a federal trademark registration. Do you need to do it? Is it mandatory? No. Trademark rights are acquired through use, proper use of those marks in connection with goods or services. But there are benefits to obtaining a federal trademark registration if you engage in interstate commerce and it's in your interest. So one of those benefits is quite simply being housed in the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office database. Why is that a benefit, Andy? Okay, well, here's why. When others are looking to do new business, they're looking to start new businesses or create new business lines, and they're thinking about trademarks and what they're going to do, and this happens thousands and thousands of times per day, a lot of them, either by themselves or with their attorneys, go to the United States Patent and Trademark Office database to see what else is out there. And if there's things that are not there, they think their path is clear and they adopt what they want to use and they move forward. Well, the hope is, the intention is, if you are in that database, if your mark is in that database and someone goes to search and they see the mark and they see the goods and services, a lot of folks who would otherwise be infringing on your mark, are going to think twice about it, right? They're going to look at it and say, this might be a little bit too close. I don't know, or maybe I am right on point, and yeah, I do know, but this might be danger for me. The last thing I want to do is get a cease and desist letter, or worse yet, get a lawsuit over this. So I might go to Plan B or to Plan C. That is the benefit of being in that database, because you are there. You are found that way. And so a lot of other would-be infringers will hopefully go a different direction. And that helps maintain your exclusivity. Related to that, number two, let's say there's somebody who wants to apply for a trademark. They see yours in there, maybe yours is different, and they conclude, I don't think there's going to be a likelihood of confusion among consumers as to, the source between these two marks. So I'm going to go ahead and drive ahead and apply for my own registration. Well, aside from being in the database, you got an extra level of help. You've got a trademark examiner there. Trademark examiners get new applications, and what they do immediately is investigate the trademark database to see if there are any either existing registrations or any pending applications that might cause a problem or a block to this new application that just got filed. And if the examiner sees a potential problem, that examiner is going to refuse that application. So you, being in that database, you get a gatekeeper. You get the government working for you to help maintain your exclusivity by turning away new applications in the future. That's a huge benefit. You don't pay for it. You pay for your registration, but now you got your gatekeeper sitting there for you, helping you maintain, police your mark, and maintain your exclusivity, which, if your exclusivity, a lot of syllables there, is maintained, that helps you pick up business and get repeat business, and it maintains your distinct identity in the marketplace. That is a huge benefit. Anyway, if you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop me a comment or shoot me a note. I'd be happy to talk further. Have a good one. Bye-bye.